friends, welcome to Little Ukes. Today we're going to be learning how to play the G major chord, which is a very important chord in ukulele playing. Knowing how to play this chord will help you unlock hundreds if not thousands of songs. I'm going to teach you how to play this 3-finger chord, and then I'll show you a little saying and an exercise that I like to use to help myself remember how to play the chord and practice building it up. Let's get started. So friends, like I just mentioned, this chord has 3 fingers. You are ready to learn this chord if you've tried some 1-finger chords on the ukulele or some 2-finger chords, and you feel pretty comfortable with those. Or if you've been playing for a bit and you're just ready for that challenge, go ahead and give this a try. So we're going to start with our index finger, and that one is going to go on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. And when I say 3rd string, I mean the one that's 3rd up from the floor. So the numbers go 1st string, 2nd string, 3rd string, and 4th string. So here we are on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. My 2nd finger is going to come to the 2nd fret of the 1st string. And then my ring finger, see if you can wiggle that ring finger, is going to go between them but 1 fret higher. So I'm going to put my 3rd finger, my ring finger, on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. See how my fingers kind of make a little bit of triangle shape? And it sounds like this. Now, I know this chord isn't easy, so let's go ahead and go through that one more time. I'm going to take my 1st finger and put it on the 2nd fret of the 3rd string. My 2nd finger is going to come to the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and my ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. And we make a little bit of a triangle shape. Now let me show you a little saying and exercise similar to what we just did that helps me remember how to play this and that I use to help my students remember this chord. We're going to build it up finger by finger. When you're playing a slightly more complicated chord like this one, take your time learning it in layers. So we're going to go like this. We're going to start with our 1st finger and go 1, 2, 3. Play the chord G. All right, let's take our hand off and try that again. Starting with my 1st finger, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Play the chord G. Well, friends, if you were able to play that chord, you should be very proud of yourself. That's not an easy one. I consider that to be more of an advancing player or advanced beginner level, and I'm excited to share some more songs for advanced beginners on this channel. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to teach you all how to play this chord. I'll be sharing some videos for brand new players, absolute beginners, as well as the same song in another version for advancing players so that players of different levels can play together with ease. Friends, thank you so much for following along with this video today. I look forward to playing with you again soon. Happy practicing.